Hello friends, I heartily welcome you on my YouTube channel Medical Depth The Knowledge Adda. In this video, I will discuss about a great homeopathic remedy for the spasmodic cough and vomiting during pregnancy. Cerium oxalicum. The common name of Cerium oxalicum is oxalate of cerium. The keynote symptom of this remedy is vomiting during pregnancy that may be of half-digested food. Whooping cough with vomiting and hemorrhage indicates this remedy. It acts well in dysmenorrhea in the fleshy and robust women, better when flow is established. It also have a comparative relationship with other medicines. The first one is ingluvin. It is made from the gizzard of the fowl and used when the symptoms presents like vomiting of pregnancy, gastric neurasthenia, infantile vomiting and diarrhea. The 3x trituration of this remedy are frequently used. Other comparative remedies are Amygdalus persica, lactic acid and ipecac. Thanks for watching.